Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit. And today's lesson is human body system. It is lesson number 6 and you are on page number 64. So in this lesson we will study about different types of body system. You can see pictures. These pictures are very funny. First of all, circulatory system. Circulatory, what is given in this picture? Heart and nerves. You can see heart and nerves. This is a skeletal system. So, this is a skeletal system. So, it is made by bones. It is a nervous system. So, in this system, what we will study about? Brain and different parts of nervous system. This is a respiratory system. So here lungs, nose pipe, that is windpipe, nose and lungs. Digestive system given here, stomach, intestine. So they all are internal system that is present in our body. So we will discuss one by one every body system. So I am reading first line and then after I will explain. The human body is a fascinating system. The human body comprises groups of organs which perform specific function for the body. They are called organ system. So these organ system work together to perform life functions. In our body, different organs are present and many organs join together and they make organ system. As you can see in circulatory system, this is first one. In this system, heart and nerves are present. They are making circulatory system and this is in different systems also. So many systems, in many system, different organ join and they perform a single function. As in respiratory system, we are doing respiration. So these are different human body system. So first of all, we will discuss about respiratory system. So the main organ of respiratory systems are lungs, windpipe and bronchi. What are the organs of respiratory system? Lungs, windpipe and bronchi. So you can see here nose, that is windpipe and lungs. So when we breathe in, air enters through the nose and is cleaned by the hair in nostrils. As we breathe by our nose, so air go in our nose and hair are present in our nose or nostrils that clean the air, means stop dust particles. Now second one, the air then moves down through the windpipe or trachea. So when we take air from our nose, then air reach in our windpipe and we call this organ trachea also. So what is this organ? This is trachea or windpipe. Third one is, this is third. So the windpipe branches off into smaller tubes. Windpipe, you can see it is a windpipe. So it is branches of small tubes called bronchi or bronchial tubes. windpipe divided into different pipes or tubes. So these pipes we call bronchi or bronchial tubes. So these tubes end with balloon like air sac. Every bronchial tube have air sacs. Now you are on fourth number, that is lungs. You can see lungs in this picture. Where are lungs present? You can see they are lungs. So lungs are the main organ of the respiratory system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed from inhale air. Inhale means when we take air inside our body, so we call this process is inhaling. So what happened? So lungs absorb oxygen from inhale air. So oxygen that we take inside our body, so our lungs take oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide from the lungs as exhaled air. Means oxygen that we take out from our body, that is exhaled, that is removed from by body. So in that exhale here, what is present? Carbon dioxide. Exhale means the air that is going from our nose outside, and inhalation, that we are taking air inside our body. So what happened? Our lungs absorb oxygen from air. So the air that we breathe in has more amount of oxygen. So that is we are breathing, it has more amount of oxygen. And the air that we breathe out has more amount of carbon dioxide gas. Means in our body, carbon dioxide add in air and it go out from our body, and oxygen is present in the inhalation air, the air that is we are taking inside our body. So what we have discussed, first one is nose. So in our nose, what is present? Hairs. So when we take air inside, so the dust particle that is present in air absorb, stop dust. Then air went inside our windpipe or trachea. That is number 2. After that, trachea divided into many small tubes, that is called bronchi or bronchial tubes. And every bronchial tubes have balloons, small balloons or air sacs. After that, lungs. So lungs are the main organ of respiratory system. So in lungs, oxygen is absorbed. Where oxygen absorbed? In lungs. And carbon dioxide released from the lungs by exhaled air. Exhaled means the carbon dioxide that is take out from the body. Oxygen that is take out from the body has carbon dioxide gas. So you have understood this respiratory system. Now I am explaining circulatory system. So what is written in info bit? Blood is a part of the circulatory system. It transports the inhaled oxygen to all the parts of our body. So what is the part of circulatory system? What are the parts? Different parts in our circulatory system, and blood is also a part of circulatory system. And blood transport oxygen, and when oxygen transport in our body, we get oxygen in different parts. So what is circulatory system? So I am explaining the system. So first of all, I am explaining what are the parts of circulatory system. So heart, arteries, veins, nerves, they are the part of circulatory system. So the system, that is circulatory system, what it take digested food materials and other substance to all the parts of our body. It is responsible for the flow of blood throughout the body. It consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. So what is circulatory system? Circulatory system have heart, arteries and veins, and by these organs in our body digested food material transported. This system is responsible for blood transpiration. By this system in our body, blood is transported. Means as we eat food, this food is digested in our digestive system. And after digesting the food, this food mix in our blood. And blood take these nutrients in whole body with the help of circulatory system. So what are the organs? Heart, arteries and veins. So heart, it is a muscular organ. Heart is a muscular organ divided into 4 chambers. Heart is made by muscles and it is divided into 4 chambers, means 4 room, 4 part. What is present? How many parts of heart? 4. It contracts and relax, means shrink and spread. These parts spread and shrink again and again. So how many times it contract and relax? 70 to 80 times. When we are rest, usually 72 times. So how many times our heart beat? Our heart beat is 72 times. And the right side of the heart collect impure deoxygenated blood. Which side? Right side. What collect? Impure blood from all the parts of the body, and left side distribute pure blood to different parts of the body. So which part of the heart transport pure blood? Left side. And which part of the heart transport which part of the heart take impure blood from the different organs? That is right side. Different organs means in different organ as that is present in our body. So our heart take deoxygenated blood from different organs, and which part take? Right part take deoxygenated blood, means oxygen is less in blood. And which side transport pure blood? That is left side, means what is present in this? More oxygen. What are arteries? Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Away means दूर ले जाती हैं. So arteries carry blood away from the heart. They circulate pure and oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. So what is the work of arteries? Take away pure blood from the heart and transport different parts of the body. What are veins? Vein carry blood towards the heart. Means they collect impure deoxygenated blood. So which part collect impure blood? Veins. Which part collect pure blood? Arteries. So we have discussed heart, arteries and veins. So tomorrow I will discuss more about this lesson. Thank you very much.